Hello everyone, this is Madhavi, working as an assistant professor in chemistry from HLS department in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Okay, discuss about the ionic product of water. Okay, this is the ionic product of water means this is the product of molar concentrations. Ionic product is the ions, H plus ions and OH minus ions. Okay, water formula is H2O. Okay, this water formula is H2O is the H plus ions and OH minus ions. This is the ions. Okay, the ionic product of water is the pure electrolyte. Okay, the product of molar concentration of H plus ions and OH minus ions, the product of the molar concentration of hydrogen ions and OH minus ions, hydroxyl ions in any temperature. In any temperature of pure water or aqueous solution is known as ionic product of water. Okay. This ionic product of water is generally denoted Kw. Very important. Generally denoted Kw. Okay. And next one, the value of Kw increases with temperature. The ionic product of water is increases with temperature. Okay. This increases of temperature is, for example, 0 degrees temperature. Okay, the value of Kw equal to 1.14 into 10 to the power of minus 15. Okay, and the value of Kw is 10 degrees. Okay, the room temperature is a 10 degrees is the Kw is 2.95 into 10 to the power of minus 15. And at room temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, the room temperature is 25 degrees centigrade temperature is the value is Kw is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, and the next 50 degrees temperature is 5.147 into 10 to the power of minus 14, and 100 degrees centigrade is a 47.6 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay, this ionic product of water is units is the mole square per liter square. The unit of the ionic product is mole square per liter square. At 25 degrees centigrade value is Kw equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. Okay, the ionic product of water is a neutral to litmus. Okay, this is a neutral to litmus means the concentration of H plus ions is equal to the concentration of hydroxyl ions. Okay, this is H plus ions equal to hydroxyl ions. This is the concentration. Okay, then concentration of H plus ions equal to concentration of OH minus ions. Those are equal to Kw. Kw means ionic product of water. Okay, this ionic product of water value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. Okay, this is the concentration of OH minus ions and the concentration of H plus ions, OH minus ions equal to Kw. Okay, this is a concentration of H plus ions, concentration of OH minus ions are equal to under root of Kw. Okay, and this Kw value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. Okay, then same this concentration of H plus ions or concentration of OH minus ions equal to under root of 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. Okay, concentration of H plus ions equal to concentration of OH minus are equal to under root of 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay, this root is a minus 14 is the concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus. This is a 14, 7 H plus ions and another 7 OH minus ions is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 mole square per liter square. Since water equal to concentration of H plus ions equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 mole per liter, and concentration of OH minus ions equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 mole per liter. Okay, once again repeat. Okay, this is the new concentration of H plus ions equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 mole per liter. Okay, and concentration of OH minus ions equal to 1 into minus 7 moles per liter. This is the ionic product of water values. Okay, this is next one is a very important significance of Kw. Okay, significance means importance. Okay, this is importance of the Kw. Okay, first for example, first we have the container taken into water H2O for example. Okay, this water. Okay, if an acid is added to water. Okay, if an acid is added to water, for example, acid is the HCl. Okay, this acid is added to the water. Okay, this is the first we have the container and taken into the water. The water is dissociation is H plus ions and OH minus ions. Okay, dissociation means separation. Okay, H plus ions and OH minus ions. If added to the acid. Okay, if acid is added to the water, the concentration of H plus ions is increases and concentration of OH minus ions is decreases. Okay, the acid means H plus ions contents is called acid. Okay, then this acid is added to the water. Okay, already within separation the H plus ions and equal to the H plus ions and OH minus ions. Then added to the acid is the H plus ion which gives the H plus ions. Okay, H plus ions is increases, OH minus ions are decreases. And same, then first we have second one example is a container, then pouring some water. Okay, H2O. This dissociation is H plus ions and OH minus ions. Dissociation means separation. Okay, then this is if base is added to the water. Base example is for example NaOH. Okay, this NaOH is added to the water. The OH minus ions is increases and H plus ions is decreases. This is the significance of the water. Okay, then but the product of these ions must be constant. Okay, this constant is the Kw equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. This is the must be constant. This value is the 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. Okay, therefore it is possible to calculate the concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus ions is not vice versa. Okay, this is the 1 mark question. Vice versa. Define vice versa means therefore it is possible to calculate the concentration of H plus ions and if concentration of OH minus ions is known as vice versa. Okay, this is the acidic solution is equal to the concentration of H plus ions equal to ionic product of water by concentration of OH minus ions. And basic solution is concentration of OH minus ions equal to Kw by concentration of H plus ions. Okay, this is the calculator. This calculation is known as vice versa. Okay, and this is the acidic solution. This is the basic solution. Okay, neutral solution is the concentration of H plus ions equal to concentration of OH minus ions equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 mole square per liter square. Okay, this is the significance of the Kw. Okay, in neutral solution is H plus ions are equal to OH minus ions is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 17. The acidic solution is concentration of H plus ions is greater than concentration of OH minus ions. Concentration of H plus ions greater than its value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay, and concentration of OH minus ion less than is 1 into minus 7. This is the acidic solution is values. Okay, and the next one is the basic solution. This basic solution is concentration of OH minus ions is greater than concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus ions is greater than 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 and the concentration of H plus ions is less than is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7. This is the values.